In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Opiq Library. Now, from the library, you will find study kits. A study kit is a digitalized textbook. They can be recognized by the cover pages as they are identical to the hard copy books. A teacher who is logged into Opiq has access to all the study kits in the Opiq that are part of the teacher license package. A shortcut to the library is found on the teacher's dashboard from the top menu bar. In the library, you can search study kits by different grades, subjects, publishers, classes, and packages. It is possible to use several filters at once. For example, we can check out all Standard 7 study kits published by Kenya Literature Bureau. By clicking on the cover image of the digital textbook, the person is taken into a study kit. Here you can check out the materials by chapters, and if needed, move back to the library by clicking on an arrow in the upper left corner.